Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Mybreezylife kitchen corner. Few days earlier we shared with you a recipe of biryani masala. Today I am going to prepare chicken biryani with the same biryani masala. Now first note down the ingredients. So these ingredients are for chicken marination. I am taking 800 gram chicken, 125 ml or half cup yogurt, homemade biryani masala 2.5 tablespoon, red chili powder 2 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, and green whole chili 4 to 5, a bunch of mint leaves. Let's begin with the marination. Add all the ingredients in chicken and mix it well. Keep it in refrigerator for almost 30 minutes. Meanwhile, our chicken is marinating. Let's prepare rest of the ingredients. So, for the overall biryani, what ingredients you require are long grain basmati rice 600 gram. Soak this rice in a water for about 30 minutes before cooking the rice. 5 to 6 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom, 1.5 tablespoon cumin seeds, 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 bay leaf, 3 star anise, 1 inch cinnamon stick, ½ inch mace, 4 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 2 onion fried, 8 to 10 dried prunes, 125 ml tamarind water with coriander leaves and mint leaves, 1 lemon, 2 tablespoon kevra water, 2 tablespoon ghee, 2 cup of oil. So let's begin with the recipe. Fry whole spices in oil. Let it fry for at least 30 seconds. Then add onion in it. Let it golden brown. Add marinated chicken in it and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add ginger and garlic paste and cook for at least 5 more minutes or until it leaves oil. Now you can add chopped tomatoes, dried prunes, and mix it. Then add tamarind water and close the lid and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of kevra water and keep the lid again. Cook it until it leaves the oil. Now my biryani curry is ready, so let's prepare my rice. In a container, I'll take water. Then I will add some star anise in it, salt to taste, then oil. Cover the lid and let water boil. Add rice once water gets boiled. Cook rice for at least 4 to 5 minutes and turn off the stove once your rice is cooked. But make sure it should not be fully cooked because we will cook it in the steam. Drain out excess water from the rice. Rice are already ready, so let's begin with the layering of biryani. I'm pouring food color on each layer, which is mixed in milk. After layering biryani, I'm sprinkling nutmeg powder on it. I have added 2 tablespoons of ghee. It will give a delicious flavor to the biryani. Now I'll keep it on the steam for about 10 to 15 minutes and my biryani is ready. This biryani is sufficient for 4 to 5 people. Enjoy the biryani and let us know in the comment section.